This tutorial is about basically if you don't have Windows 10, then because you won't be able to use Microsoft Edge as your PDF reader. So if you don't have Windows 10, then here's something you can do. So you're gonna open up Zoom. So this is basically for this will be the teacher screen and that'll be the student screen. And then so I'll just create a meeting. So yeah, let's just so we have stop these Zoom things, and then so basically, so for this I'm gonna transfer over the meeting ID, so we have like teacher student like thing, and then so 178 275 290. Okay, so we'll just wait for this to load. Right. So now we have this set up, and then of course we're gonna need to share screen so that we can like interact, so like the students can see like the problems and like our how to do it. So like first we're gonna need the problems. So I'm just gonna pull up a random PDF for problems. So AMC8 problems. So we'll just close that out. And then so we have it open, our PDF file open, and then so. And then, well, we have our PDF file open, and if you might know about like the Zoom's whiteboard feature, but like that's not exactly convenient for this because if you wanted to show both the problems and the work, then you have to do keep switching between the whiteboard and the screen, so sharing it, and then so that's not exactly the most convenient. So what you can do is you can open Paint. So so it's gonna like look like this, but you want it to like you want to be able to write on it with more space than that. So what you're gonna need to do is like zoom in a little, and then like see when it's good for you. So that's too big for me, so I'm gonna oops, wrong way. Yeah. So I'll just keep it at 200. So yeah, so you can select this pencil, which also makes it thinner. So yeah, and then shoot, okay. So we have Paint open, and we also have our problems open. So now we can like start our sharing screen. So we go to this, and then share the screen. So yeah, so on the student side, they can see the problems right now. And then when I go to Paint, they'll see my Paint screen, and then like I can write like 2 + 2 = 4, and they'll see that. And I'm gonna do that. And so but we need a way to like so that we can like show them both, like a convenient way to show them both. So you could try to like get it like so like you had like the problems on one half and then Paint on the other half, but that's really like if you had like half of this, that's really not enough space for you to write. So what you can do, I just did it here. It's you can press Alt, hold down Alt, and then press Tab, and then so this allows you to like switch to the between different like windows. So basically you start on this window, and then so it goes to the second window, and if the second window is not what you want, like if I wanted to go to like this, then you just keep pressing Tab. Yeah, and then so this is the most convenient way for switching between windows. So basically the students can see this, all of this. So basically I'll show them the problem, and then I'll read the problem out, and then we can when we're doing our work, we can switch over to this, and then I'll write like 351 like minus 45 or whatever, and then you know the students will be able to see that, and yeah, that's it.